Hello, welcome back to the channel. We are going to differentiate a function in the form of y equal to u over v. This kind of function, we use quotient rule to differentiate. That is, the y, the x, this is equal to v, the u, the x, minus u, the v, the x, divided by v square. Example of such function is this one. Y is equal to x square over 3x square plus 7x. This function is in the form of y is equal to u over v. This kind, we use quotient rule. Let us differentiate. Let y is equal to u over v. I'm going to assign u to x square. That is, u is equal to x square, and the denominator 3x square plus 7x, I'm going to assign it to v. That is, v is equal to 3x square plus 7x. I'm going to differentiate u with respect to x. That is, the u, the x, this is equal to 2x. And also, I'm going to differentiate v with respect to x. That is, the v, the x, this is equal to 6x plus 7. And we know from the formula, the y, the x, this is equal to v, the u, the x, minus u, the v, the x, over v square. I'm going to substitute this into the formula. That is, the y, the x, this is equal to, my v is equal to 3x square plus 7x. Multiply by the u, the x, which is 2x. Take away u, which is equal to x square. The v, the x, which is equal to 6x plus 7, over v square. V is equal to 3x square plus 7x. But all this one is square. We can simplify our answer. That is, I'm going to open the bracket. 3x square multiplied by 2x, I'm going to get 6x cubic plus 2x multiplied by 7x, we get 14x square, minus x square multiplied by 6x, we are going to get 6x cubic, minus x square multiplied by 7x, we are going to get 7x square, over 3x square plus 7x square. Six x cubic minus 6x cubic is 0. 14x square minus 7x square, we are going to remain with 7x square. This is over 3x square plus 7x, all the thing square. This is our simplified answer. The y over the x is equal to 7x square over 3x square plus 7x, all thing square. I hope you understand how to use quotient rule to differentiate. For more questions on differentiation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.